Okay, sandpaper and sealer. I use two different types of sandpaper. I use 80 grit sandpaper for my first sand, basically just trying to sort of find all the chisel marks and lines and things that are still not quite right with the sculpture. Once I'm happy with everything, then I go on to 240, and that's basically I'm just trying to get it basically as smooth and as nice as I can. Anything further than 240 on the type of stone I'm working with is kind of really a waste of time. So it's about as high as I go. So the sealer, I've got in here a silicon sealer. It's kind of 1 part silicon to about 14 parts water. And that is good for kind of working with smaller sculptures and stuff. But if I'm working on something large, then I tend to go with more an industrial sealer, which is quite solventy, and it takes a few days for it to dry and that, but it's kind of a little bit more heavy duty. So that's generally how I sort of handle that side of things. So that's the options for the sealer. There are also links to that in my website as well.